This is Daniel Boateng. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through some basic activities that will help improve your accuracy on the guitar. Most of the times when you begin to play a guitar, or when you pick up your first guitar, you want to play, you find it difficult to play something meaningful. Ofa guitar na bo se wa sha se na se o pese wo bo nwom bi prakope da bi nyesa ne tie ene ye behwe akwan hudo bebre so a obetimi afa so na ama wo guitar bo no adi mu enti ye sha se. First on the list is, if you pick up a guitar, what you have to do first is check that your guitar is in tune. Check if your guitar is tuned. Ofa guitar no a mesro hwe say guitar no ni tune no eye pepepa na say enye. So check. So you need to check if there is a keyboard with you, or if you have a digital tuner or whatever. You can use your ear to tune. Yeah, I can see if this is okay, then I put my second finger at the 5th fret of the B string, then I play. Yeah, it sounds the same. That means these two strings are okay. Then I put my first finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and then I play the B. I can see that it is okay. Good. Then you come back to the 5th fret on the D string, you play. Then you play the G string. Good. Come to the 5th fret on the A string, you play. Then you play the D string. Good. It's okay. Then come to the 5th fret on the E string, you play the open A string. They sound the same. Very good. So this shows that my guitar is in tune and I can play anything. Very good. Next on the list is try to find a metronome. Find a metronome to practice with. These days, metronome can be found on Google Play Store. You download some onto your phone, then you set the beat to, let's say, because we are beginners, let's say 60 beats per minute, or perhaps 70 beats per minute. So find a metronome. So I have my metronome. With me, and I am going to start with 70 beats per minute. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you have to do with this is that for the very first time you are picking a guitar, please don't worry to play anything you want. If you have set your metronome to 70 beats per minute or 60 beats per minute, good. At every 4 beats, you play one note. Start from the 1st fret on the E string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you come to the 2nd fret on the E string with your second finger, okay? So 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you count 4 frets. Count 4 frets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you place your fingers on. So at every 4 beats, you play one note. Okay, so like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you rest a while. You move to the 2nd fret. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. You rest. You go to the 3rd string. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rest. Go to the fourth string. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. You rest, then you do stretching. Stretch, 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 stretch. Okay? Stretch, stretch, stretch. Good. Stretch. Do the stretching. Good. Very good. This is a very good exercise for your accuracy. For your accuracy. You can look at my right, how I am picking at the right side. Let me get closer. Look at the right side. I am using the picker. Look at how I have handled the picker. Okay, then I'm doing this down. So let's add the metronome. Look at the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. I move to the next string. Down. 2, 3, 4. You rest for a while. You rest for a while. We have done the first 4 frets of the board. Let's come to the second 4 frets of the board. We start the same 70 beats per minute. Come to the third 4 frets of the board. Okay. Then you rest. Do the stretching. Do this for about 20 minutes every day. For about 20 minutes every day. You will see that in about a week or 2 weeks time, your muscle will be flexible on the guitar. Okay, so this is a very simple exercise. So after doing this, then we increase the tempo. We can increase the tempo, that at every 2 beats we play 1 note. Let's look at it. At every 2 beats we play 1 note. So 2 1 2 1 2. We are starting from the last 4 frets of the board. 1 2. Go to the B string. Go to the G string. The D string. The A string. Good. Do this side, you go to this side, you go to this side at every 2 beats. Okay, now we are going to look at 1 note for each beat. Beat metronome boko bia ebebo 1 note. The same 70 beats per minute. 1 2 3 4. Obey way, say I wa high, the twas wa ha, na fe be wa ha. Na me shape means any fano. Look at my right picking. This time I am picking up, down, up, down. Let's see. 2 3 4. Look at it. Down, up, 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 down, up. Do this to the entire board. After about 10 minutes, you rest, you do your stretching. Good. Then let us do pairs. Pairs. We are going to do the pairs. Let me show you. We are doing 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. Okay, 1 2 1 3 1 4. If I say 1 2 1 3 1 4, this is 1. My first finger, second finger. So 1 1 2. 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. Okay, 1 2 1 3 1 4. Let's do it on the guitar and see. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. Rest. Okay, rest. Then you continue. This is the last 4, the middle 4, and then the first 4. Do this every day. Every day. If you pick up your guitar, do this. Accuracy is the key in playing lead guitar. Your speed will come naturally when you get everything accurately. Now, once we have done 1 2 1 3 1 4, we are going to look at 3 4 3 4 3 4, like that. Okay, 3 4. like this. 2, 3, go. 3, 4. Let me take it again. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Again. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Good. Do it. When you come to this edge, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. When you come to the bindle here, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Very good. This exercise strengthens your fourth finger because it is the weakest finger on the guitar. So when you practice involving this 3, 4, 3, 4, it strengthens this finger, the fourth finger, because it has work to do. All your fingers will be strengthened. Now, after doing that, you do 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1. Let's look at it. 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1. 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1. Go to the next string. Next string. Again. Next string. Next string. Next string. Good. You can see that after doing all these things, in about a week or 2 weeks, you will see that you are very familiar with the finger movement on the fretboard. Don't skip these kind of exercises. Even the advanced players, whenever they pick up their guitar, they do finger exercises on the guitar. So as a beginner and then intermediate players, don't run away from these exercises. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do so now. Subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button, leave a comment at the comment section, and then share my videos to your various WhatsApp platforms, your various Facebook platforms, your various Instagram platforms. Invite people to come on board, to come and study high life guitar lessons. We will come your way with another beautiful high life guitar skills. Yes, high life guitar skills. That is the name I have given to it. High life guitar skills. So whilst we are doing the rhythm of high life, we will also look at high life guitar skills in our subsequent lessons. So my dear, we end here with today's lesson. We'll meet next time for another lesson. Thank you.